The new registration fees by ZEC are prohibitive for most of the players in the political field, and I think they are meant to reduce the number of competitors. So for us, we are pushing for the review downwards of the fees, and I know you would have seen Professor Maduku leading the Pollard push to reduce the fees, to push for the reduction of the registration fees, so that it does not become too prohibitive. But that said and done, we don't believe that that will necessarily happen, because it seems those that have done it are keen to make sure that they elbow others out. And unfortunately, the other opposition parties which are in parliament, we think will actually support it, because they also want to be the only ones participating. But it's unfortunate because it's being short-sighted, because whatever resource is then used for the registration is not available even for campaigning. Professor Maduku actually estimated that you need about at least $500,000 to register all candidates in all constituencies and for Senate and all council wards. So that is a lot of money, and it's rather too much just for registration alone. If it was less, then you would have more for campaigning. But that said and done, I want to be very clear that even if it is not reduced, we are going to participate. Our team is going to participate. Team Trust will participate. I will be a presidential candidate, even at the 20,000. Those that support Team Trust will make sure that comes to fruition. So we will be there, even if the fees are not reduced. And in that case, there will be a few players on the ballot, but we will be one of those players, and we will put up a good show.